Today's episode is 85 reacts to Shumadan snore gets replaced with number block 52 snore, and this video has been requested by Tony Rainbow. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm 85. I'm new here. I'm going to react to Shumadan snore gets replaced with number block 52 snore. Enjoy the reaction.
You know I don't want to get recorded by boys.
Well, it's snoring time. Sleep tight.
That's legit, man. The video ended. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 225.